Hello, hello, hi, hi, hello. Yes, my name is Prem Kumar and I'm BCom student, means I'm BCom at last year. And right now, today, today is a beautiful and very calmly climate, means rain came my city and very wonderful climate available in my city. So okay, my name is Prem Jay Kumar, and right now I telling you in past tense that's mini story. Mini story is because necessary part, and I think you are needed to that's mini story. So listen carefully and please silent sat on the chair and deeply to listening because that ministry is powerfully and my three conditions. First condition, do not study grammar's rule, that's ministry, and do not focus only translate, only speaking and listening focus. Okay, so let's start it. My ministry I telling you in past, that's ministry name emotionally mastery. Okay, but firstly deeply breathing, jumping the about and dancing. I know you have not dancer and I have a not dancer, but inside the body only warm. You are a brain wake up. Then listen carefully my mini story. Okay, so let's start in my mini story in this name emotionally mastery. There was a beautiful woman. There was a beautiful woman named Vanilla. Who was a beautiful woman? Any guesses? Give me answer. Don't worry. There was a beautiful woman named Vanilla. Vanilla was a beautiful, intelligent woman. But she had a problem. Vanilla had a problem. So, any guessing you may answer. What do you had a problem, Vanilla? Don't worry. I tell you, she had a problem. She had, means she was very poor. Vanilla was very poor, but she was intelligent. She was granny. She was a beautiful woman, but she was very poor. And Vanilla every day, each day, every time, he's saying to ourselves, "Show me the money." Who wanted a lots of money? You remember? Don't worry. Vanilla wanted a lot of money. She said, "Show me the money." Vanilla wanted a lots of money. So Vanilla thought she went to Las Vegas. Las Vegas means North America and Japan. Okay? Yes. Don't Indian places, don't Indian near. So she went to the Las Vegas. Vanilla went to the Las Vegas. Why? Because Vanilla thought, I went to Las Vegas, she get the rich. Because she was intelligent. She was a beautiful woman. She was grinning. So finally she went to Las Vegas and she walked into Caesar's palace. So what did the Caesar's palace? The casino. Caesar's palace, the casino. The Caesar's palace, casino. Very calmly Caesar's palace. She walked into Caesar's palace and she get the rich, she thought. She walked into Caesar's palace, she looking to any some person because already at living to the richest person. She walked into Caesar's palace when she looking some person And she walked into Caesar's palace. She on her face a big smile. On her face, big smile. She was happy or she was sad? Absolutely. She was happy into Caesar's palace. So give me answer. I ask question, you are repeat. She walked into Caesar's palace or she ran into Caesar's palace? That's right. She walked into Caesar's palace. Then she walked into Caesar's palace. She get the rich. Why? Why she walked into Caesar's palace? Because Vanilla was grinning. Vanilla was intelligent. When she walked to the blackjack table, she walked into Caesar's palace when she walked to the blackjack table. Vanilla walked to the blackjack table or Vanilla walked to the broke table? No, she not walked to the broke table. She walked, Vanilla walked to the blackjack table and she sat on the chair and she took out of her pocket. Whose took out of her pocket? Absolutely, Vanilla. Vanilla took out of her pocket. How much? How much out of her pocket? Any guessing? 500, 10,000. She took out of her pocket 6,000 billion. $6,000. She took out of her pocket $6,000. She put on the table. She bet. Bet means investment. She all of investment means she all 6,000 on the first game. Vanilla a lots of means Vanilla all of the investment on the first game because she thought and she thinking I walk into Caesar's palace, she going to the blackjack table and she get rich, she become rich. So she sat on the chair, she out of her pocket 6,000, she investment all of the money on the first game. So Vanilla lose or Vanilla law? Vanilla lose or Vanilla win? Oh, that time Vanilla lost. That's time Vanilla lost and she crying, she very depressed and she said, I lots of my money. Who's crying? Yes, Vanilla cried. Who said, I lots of my money? Vanilla. Vanilla crying, Vanilla saying, I lots of my money. Who's win? Any guessing? The Warren Buffett. The Warren Buffett win. The Warren Buffett made $60 billion. When he made $60 billion, any guessing? Don't worry, I tell. When Vanilla lost $6,000, when the Warren Buffett made $60 billion. Vanilla was grinning or the Warren Buffett was grinning? No, the Warren Buffett frowned. Vanilla was grinning. She grinning? She was grinning, but she that's time crying. But she stand up. She's jumping the about. Back the shoulder, deeply breathing. And she said, I will become rich. What did she said? She said, I will become rich. And she another went to city. She went to in Alaska. She went to Alaska. Why? Because she thought she went to Alaska, she became rich. And finally she went to Alaska and she wanted taking the for gold. She had taking the for gold and she got the shower and she taking the for gold. 5 day, 10 day, taking the for gold, taking the for gold. After 60 day, she had back hurts. Oh no. After 60 day, Vanilla back hurts once again because she had a bad faster, taking the for gold. Oh no, once again she back hurt and she bad means she had a bad pastor and she crying once again and she saying, I have no money, my return back hurts and I had a bad pastor. Who's crying that time? Absolutely Vanilla. Vanilla crying that time. Who said? Vanilla. And what did she said? I have no money. So why she cried that time? Because she hadn't money. Finally, she stand up. She stand up. She's jumping the about back the shoulder and deeply breathing. But before she was depressed, so she was happy. She was depressed. She was very sad. She was absolutely very sad. Okay, jumping the about, dancing the, then jumping the about, dancing and broccoli shoulder and deeply breathing, and she said, I will become rich. And once again, she another went to city. And she, Vanilla, went to in Singapore. Wow, that's very calmly Singapore. She went to Singapore. She went to Singapore. Why? Because she started a chili business in Singapore. Who started a chili business in Singapore? That's right. Vanilla started a chili business in Singapore. She, Sadhguru, on her apartment, accrued very calmly chilies, and Vanilla sold a chili to restaurant. So, who wanted become rich? Yes, Vanilla wanted to become rich. So, what she wanted? Any guessing? She wanted to become rich. She wanted to be rich. So finally, the chili business means she started a chili business in Singapore. She every day, each time she sold a chili, means hot chilies, very spicy. Okay, you know very spicy chilies. Yes, red. Okay, so she sold a hot chilies to restaurant every day, each day, and finally she reached. That time in Singapore, Vanilla Queen, a chili business. Vanilla Queen agent chili business. So Vanilla was sad or Vanilla was happy? Yes, absolutely. That time in Singapore, Vanilla was happy and she was intelligent. She was beautiful and she was super rich. Okay, that is the end my mini story. I told you in past, I told not in present, I told you not in future, I told you only in past. Okay, that I hope you are like my mini story, and that's is my ending my mini story. So thank you very much, and I will see next time. Bye bye.